Hi everybody, Kate here talking about all things branding today. So a high-level overview, your brand is not just a logo. It is all of the things that layer atop of that. What is the personality, the feeling of your brand, and how do you put that all together? How do you showcase that to the world? Well, you put together a visual identity package. So you take all of the assets and the colors and the fonts and the graphics and the photography, all of the things that you can showcase to the world of who you are and why you're different and why they should choose you. You put them into a little package. And we have just released 3 different tiers of these packages. So we now have a brand starter package, which is right for the entrepreneur, the story starter of the company. This is your foundational piece to your brand, all of the core pieces that you need to brand yourself to start out. Then we move into a brand hustler. This is the middle ground package. You've been hustling for a while. You're ready to take the next step. You need a little bit of everything. That's what this is. And then we have our brand master. You're an established business. You really need to make that imprint into the world. You've been around for a little while. Maybe you're revamping things as you move forward. We've got something for everybody. So I'm so excited to dive into this further with you. And if you have any more questions, reach out.